To draw a Christmas card, we're going to draw an angle up like that, and then straight down like that, and straight down like that, and then we want to get the same angle that we got up there going there, and then to make it look like it's standing up, we'll draw another line just going up. As you've got this V shape, it wants to be about the same length, and then we draw that straight down, put a little thing like that, and then that's a Christmas card standing up on its own. And then we want to put Happy Christmas. Oh, squeeze that in. And then I think we're going to draw, what might be easiest is if you draw a line down the middle like that, then you can see where you're going, in and out and in and out and in and out and in, out and in and out and in, and then we'll have a pot for our Christmas tree and some baubles on the Christmas tree like that, and then maybe some hanging on the ends as well, stripy thing there, and maybe some snow, something like that. And that's how you draw a Christmas card. Thanks for watching and subscribing so you can come back and do more drawing and draw stuff real easy. Bye.